Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? This might be a kind of a follow-up video from the one from the last video, but I'm not gonna complain much about being stuck. But there's a topic that I do want to talk about that I have been thinking about at least this past year, being a student and the student life. This obviously not a lot of money, but nonetheless I have been traveling this summer, so that's been awesome. But that's not the thing that I want to talk about. There are times or days, depending on how you see it, that you don't really want to study. I'm a person that I can't really study at home because I do want to do everything else except for studying. For example, my kitchen hasn't been that clean ever. Yeah. As of today, I managed to clean the kitchen and clean behind the stove for the first time, like, ever. Which might be disgusting, but my point is that I do everything except studying, which is why I'm usually head to the library whenever I'm studying. And I do wonder if that has happened to you, or at least a similar thing has happened to you. Comment below. You can like the video if you do like it. Subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can give me a burp. But if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.